Four people perished in crash on Palisadoes Main Road in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A major collision occurred along the Palisadoes Main Road between Old Harbour View and the Norman Manley International Airport in Eastern Kingston on Sunday morning. 4 people have so far reportedly died from the crash that occurred around 6:30 a.m., which involved a Toyota Probox taxi and also a Toyota Prado Jeep. The 4 fatalities came from the Probox motor car, which ended up being ripped apart in the collision. 2 other persons have been taken to hospital. Their medical condition up to the time of this publication is still unknown. More details will be published in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.